tiny statue.
Hello, I'm Katerina.
Brussels! Welcome back to the channel! The city of Brussels was founded as a fortress in the year 979 and has grown into the capital of Belgium as we know it today. The city is known for its delicious chocolate, waffles, and beer, and is the heart of Belgium's comic strip tradition. And Brussels is also the home of the iconic peeing statue of Manneken Pis and his wider family. Do you know how many outfits Manneken Pis has in his wardrobe? No? Then come along and find out! Today I'm going for a stroll in the Belgian capital. I'm just coming here from the Royal Palace where King Philip lives, and I'm going to make my way through the city here and see what it's all about. This is a funny little statue. Look, his toes are sticking out. There's something funny with these statues here. The previous one has his toes sticking out. This one has remarkably red lips. The first word that came to mind when walking around in Brussels is quirky. Not only with statues with red lips or toes sticking out, also comic heroes have a prominent place in the streets of Brussels, with statues and murals. Among the celebrated comic heroes are the Smurfs, Tintin, Asterix, Lucky Luke, and many more. There is even an official comic strip trail. You can find a route and more details in the description below. Whoa! That's loads of beautiful buildings in one place. Every native French speaker of a certain age will certainly know this guy here. And then you have the peeing statues. Of course there is the most iconic one, Manneken Pis. But Manneken Pis also has a less famous sister, Janneke Pis. And by the looks of it, they also have a pet dog by the name of Zinneke Pis. The original statue of Manneken Pis dates back to 1619, but it has been stolen and replaced several times over the centuries. The current statue is a replica installed in 1965. It's really cute, but it's a lot of attention for a tiny statue. There are several legends surrounding Manneken Pis, including one about a boy who urinated on gunpowder to save the city from invaders. The statue is regularly dressed up, and you can find a selection of the costumes at the Garderobe Manneken Pis museum.
Hello, I'm Katerina. I'm the manager of the Garderobe Manneken Pis. My job consists to conserve all the costumes of the collection and make some exposition and manage the team. So you can find here the first costume we have in the collection, but it's a copy because the original is too old to expose. It's a gift from Louis XV, the King of France. He gave this costume to Belgian people because the soldier took Manneken Pis, and to make an excuse, they give a costume to Manneken Pis. And you can see here, there is a medal. It's the highest grade of military in France. So Manneken Pis is the highest militarian for the French people.
How tall is he?
He's tall 55 centimeters.
Okay.
And 20 kilo.
20 kilo, okay.
Yeah. So it's really small. There you can find the football team from Brussels. There is Union Saint-Gilloise, Anderlecht and Molenbeek, the famous team in football in Belgium. And there is the Diable Rouge. It's the national team of Belgium.
Yeah.
Yes, really nice. You can find Dracula, for example, or Elvis Presley.
All these costumes have at some point actually been on the statue,
Yes.
or not?
Yes. There is a protocol to dress Manneken Pis. First, you have to do a form. After that, the form go to the commission of Manneken Pis. After the commission, they say yes or no. And after that, there is a ceremony. And during the ceremony, Manneken Pis will be dressed. And after that, the costume is property of the city of Brussels. So it's a long way to give a costume to Manneken Pis. And after that, it's in the collection.
So if I create a nice costume, then I can fill out the form and see if they will accept it.
Not really, because you have to be a groupman, a country, an association, and the costume can be commercial, political, religious. So there is a lot of rules to be in the collection. The last costume there, with the number.
What is this one?
It's a costume from the commune of Oderghem. And it's the last one that we received.
So 1,160 as of today-ish, or last week?
Yes, last week. So here there is all of the country of Europe. You can find Ireland, or Germany, or I don't know, Moldavia, or there is Malta, Lithuania. You can go all around the vitrine and find Switzerland, for example, or Italy. And here you can find a vitrine about the Olympics. We made that in July during the Olympics in Paris. And you can find all of the Olympic costumes that we have in the collection.
How long do the costumes stay on the?
Manneken Pis?
Yeah.
1 day.
Just one day, just
Yes.
like for special
It's dressed
occasions.
at 9 and undressed at 6.
I had no idea about that. Really beautiful day outside. I'm really enjoying the quirkiness of this city with all the comic figures, murals, the peeing statues, the Belgian food. It's actually really quite nice.